Today's video regarding HP Envoy 6455-6452 all-in-one printer. I'm going to show you how to do the reset of this printer to the factory default setting. So let's start with that. And open the HP Smart app and go to the app. Make sure your printer is connected to any of your device. For example, I have Windows 10 laptop here, so that we can just open the app and do the factory default reset. Look for the printer setting option, click on that. On the next screen, look for setting and then go for advanced setting and click on that. On the next page, click on the setting again, and here we look for the printer's restore defaults. So click on the restore defaults, and below that you can see restore factory defaults. Click on that. On the next page it will ask the printer pin. So here you can enter the pin of your printer. So enter the pin and click on the submit button. So it will take you to the next page. So look for the restore factory defaults. Displays all the information. So it's going to reset this printer. You just have to click on yes. And on this page, click on the yes button. Now the reset process will take few minutes, and printer will shut off and switch on itself, and you will see the purple light again at your printer. Also, the final message will display on the screen saying the restore is complete. Then your printer is ready. So here we can hear the sound. That means your printer is reset. Now wait for the final confirmation at your device. Thanks for watching.